Most people run from the noise of the crowd. The wisest did something completely different. You feel it in your gut, that tug of external validation, that pressure to conform. But chasing every shifting wind of popular opinion will leave you utterly lost, adrift in a sea of other people's expectations. That constant clamor outside your head, it is just static. It drowns out the only voice that truly matters, your own. Tune out the world, listen closely to yourself, and find your undeniable truth.